Today we will show you how to change customize your app icons in your phone. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Okay, first now we will go like this here, guys, and click like shorts, like a short. 1 second, guys, like a shortcuts like this. You will be find it. Okay, just click it and you will be find like this maybe, guys. Okay, I just to do from the first. Okay, just go now to the first. You will be find like this, all this. Okay, just now go to edit first and like here like open app. Okay, guys. Okay, after this, because I'm now opening okay, I choose now maybe I choose now the Google. Okay, I do like this. Okay, like a control. Okay, I choose what I want, and you can change from this. Just click in your app and change your app icon. Okay, guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.